right now, bro. They hit you? Yes, bro. Where did they hit you? They hit me, bro. They right, bro.
Alright, guys, so we're gonna be pranking my boy Chevy, bro. He's gonna pretend that he got robbed. He's gonna like put it somewhere over there and hide and stuff, bro. My boy Chevy gonna get heated, bro. But he's gonna like, you know, go drive it all the way over there and hide it. He's gonna be like all emotional and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned.
I'll try my best.
This is my boy Chevy's bike, bro. Say what's up, say what's up.
What's up, YouTube? Hello, my first time here.
You already know, bro, that's his bike, bro. You already know all the ladies hit him up, bro. He'll go pick you up.
Yeah, hit me up, you know, delivery, you know.
Delivery and all, bro.
This is my boyfriend, so I can't cheat. I'm playing.
Oh, you gay, bro.
We're
going to go see my boy zooming, bro. He's zooming, bro. He thinks his bike got robbed. We out. I'm gonna call your mom. Yeah?
What do you want? Bro, hang up on that nigga. Nobody cares if he's lost.
Nah, I don't know what to tell you, bro. You know how you should know how to fix your chain, bro.
You for real, bro?
I'm already been there. That's what because we're not playing right now.
Bro, why would I be playing right now, bro? They hit you? Yes, bro. Where did they hit you? They hit me, bro. They right, bro. Bro, you should have kept going no more.
Hey, hit him off the bike.
What about they ask for help? Bro, there was nobody here, bro. Where did it happen no more? Right here, like right here. It was right here.
I'm gonna keep going and check.
Yes, bro.
What do you mean? You're not gonna wait here?
But no one like robs someone and just stays. Like, think about it.
Yeah, they're gone by now.
First of all, why would you come all the way over here?
Bro, they were chasing me, bro.
From where?
Bro, I was like right there, right? And then I started
Why
coming
were they
back.
chasing
And
you?
why would you be over
They have
here?
mini bikes?
Huh?
They have mini bikes?
No.
Then how they chase you?
Bro, they were like right here, bro. They just came out of nowhere.
You didn't know how to go faster?
No, they hit me.
Well, you know how he gets, bro. Last time we called,
Yeah,
we said
I was going slow. I was turning back.
we said the police.
Don't call the cops, nigga.
We can't call
We can.
It's illegal.
Let's talk about over there, bro.
No, ain't no damn talk about it over there.
Cause look, we can't do nothing, bro. We call the cops. They're gonna get him in trouble because he's using a mini bike.
Omar, why do you come all the way over here, bro? This is content.
Yeah, this is, bro. Well, are you good though? Are you good though? Do you get scratched or something?
I know, are you okay?
No, bro, I fell down.
Bro, I'm still thinking you good, bro?
But you barely fixed it like yesterday, no?
Yeah.
What they look like? Bro, I don't know. Yeah. All of them? Like, what? I forgot.
How much were they? How much were they?
That was like 7 people, bro.
Damn.
I would have got robbed too. What you mean? I got robbed too. I would have kept going.
I think I would have died.
Sorry, my bad.
No, but they didn't like beat you up or nothing?
Yeah, bro, why you touching me? They hit him. So it's fine. Hit you here, bro.
No,
You call the cops and tell me you got robbed for a normal bike. No. They're gonna do too much.
We were trying to film a YouTube video
Were they bums?
of like just us clips, but like something happened. I don't know. My boy got robbed, but as long as like, you know, I don't
Bro, I
know,
swear to
man.
God, I seen my mini bike on the street. I'm
It was 7 people, bro. What am I supposed to do?
It was
Omar, bro, you
7
good?
exactly.
You good though?
I don't know, bro. I just saw that.
He's not. What are you gonna do against 7 people? You know Omar.
Bro, check it.
He was turning.
Bro, I'm sorry, bro.
I guess it was kind of my fault too, cause I told him.
You good,
My
bro?
bad, bro. It was my fault too.
Y'all straight.
I didn't think this was gonna happen. It's daylight.
I know, bro. It's daylight. The people, bro. Bro, these bum ass niggas rob anybody.
Another one.
But you got
Get another
350 already. You buy another 50.
It's just saying. Omar's gonna pay you like $2 like every month. Okay.
I hope that ain't gonna happen.
You know he is, bro. You know he is. He's not gonna pay you like straight up $350 unless you go to his parents.
Kevin, you good?
Your parents are not gonna pay for it.
No, what the hell?
You're gonna get in trouble, huh?
Obviously. Shows up all night.
You're gonna get grounded. Bro, where's? But your cousin just got. Yeah, his mini bike just got robbed. Where have you been?
He's safe, bro. He gotta
Bro,
leave.
that didn't look like checking for a second.
Bro, his mini bike got robbed, bro. Where are you?
Was it bums or was it like regular
I
people?
don't know, bro. I just thought.
Bums,
bro,
I go check every.
they had clothes like clothes, bro.
Check it. What you gotta think about this? What you gotta think about this?
I don't know. I just fixed my chin. I'm here.
You heard him, bro? Chevy, you heard him? Turn it back on.
Hey! Tell him I got it back! Tell him I got it back! Chevy, tell him I got it back! 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 I got it back for you! Swear to God, they're right there! Some big ass niggas, bro!
Oh God?
They're right under the bridge, nigga!
Swear to God.
Where?
Where?
Over there! They're already gone!
I'm finna go for my blow. I got it headed. I'm coming back. Let's go.
They go, let me go, let me go, let me go!
Yeah, that's how we do it.
Hey, that's what we doing, boy!
That's how we do it,
Yeah,
boy.
bro!
Yes,
Come on,
sir.
come
We
on,
out
man.
here. We out here. And we took this pixie, boy. Let's go sell that. Next prank, next prank. Right off the bat, right off the
All
bat.
right. Jacob,
the
back
back.
to the press.
Throw that all over. Throw that off the
Hey,
bridge.
Jacob was asking me, how do you cry like that, bro?
Wow, he got good acting skills. I'm telling you, dog. My boy good, bro.
I don't know.
I'm telling
I
you,
told
bro.
him I can cry on command, bro.
Try command. Command now. My boy did good, bro. I don't know how the hell he do it.
Why did you go home already?
Bro, it was good, though. It was good. Yes, sir. I don't know how you... I don't know what happened to you,
Hey,
bro.
you guys met right here, huh?
Boy, your bike fell
Hey.
apart.
Hell
You guys met right here, huh?
Huh? Yes, we met. We met right here.
Bro, I missed it. I was like, oh, when that happened, I thought you.
We had to go so far, bro.
And then I saw the whole people saying,
Omar, next time you use it, that way, my boy. That's the beautiful song.
What do we do? What do we do?
We beat them niggas up and got my bike back.
Bro,
Yes,
yes, sir, bro. My boy Chevy did everything, bro.
Yes,
We hit
yes,
my boy
sir.
Omar, you already
Niggas
know.
should have took you and all that.
Yeah, bro. My boy Chevy got out. He's like, hey, bro, what's up, man? And he like, 1-2 Mayweather. We gotta tell you something. What? That whole thing was a prank, bro.
Bro, swear to God. Swear, Omar. Why was you crying?
Fake acting, bro.
How I do it, bro.
Bro, stop.
Ain't no
Bro, stop lying.
Not ain't no prank.
Swear to God.
Oh God.
Oh God, it was a prank on your mama's life.
Yeah, we even got the footage. Want to see the footage?